Hey guys, in this 2025 Facebook Marketing Guide, I'll show you how to connect your Google Calendar to your Facebook page to keep your events in sync. First, open Google Calendar and go to Settings, Integrate Calendar. Copy the public URL of the calendar you want to share. Next, go to your Facebook page, click Events and choose Create Event. Look for the option to import calendar or add calendar and paste the Google Calendar URL. Adjust the event settings like visibility and notifications to make sure your audience sees them. Once added, any updates in Google Calendar will automatically reflect on your Facebook page. Test by creating a sample event in Google Calendar to confirm it shows on Facebook correctly. And that's how to connect your Google Calendar to your Facebook page in 2025. If this helps streamline your event management, don't forget to like and subscribe for more social media tutorials.